Hi friends, how are you all? I think all are going great. In today's video we discuss about the introduction to engineering graphics or engineering drawing. First of all we discuss about introduction. Lines, lettering and dimensioning, geometrical constructions and constructing regular polygons by general methods. After that in next video we will learn about curves, construction of ellipse, parabola and hyperbola by general method cycloids, involutes, normal and tangent to curves. Scales, plane scales, diagonal scales and vernier scales. What is engineering drawing? An engineering drawing, a type of technical drawing, which is used to fully and clearly define requirements for engineered items with scales. Here are some of the examples for engineering drawing. Importance of engineering drawings. Helps as a reference to workers, technicians or architects. Easy to understand. Since a picture is easiest method than 1,000 words, a technical drawing is a much more effective tool for engineers than a written plan. Engineering drawings is used in all engineering fields, including, but not limited to, civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and architecture. Sketch V's engineering drawing. Sketch. It is made without drafting tools. Just pencil and paper. Scale is approximate, not accurate, but the sketch should still look like the object. Engineering drawing. It is made with drafting tools. Ruler, set squares, protractor and compass. Scale should be accurate and the drawing carefully made. Introduction to engineering drawing. In this we learn about engineering drawing applications of engineering drawing instruments used in engineering drawing, different types of lines used in engineering drawing.
Introduction to engineering drawing. In this video, we will discuss engineering drawing, applications of engineering drawing, instruments used in engineering drawing, and different types of lines used in engineering drawing. Drawing is a graphical language that communicates ideas and information from one mind to another. Or, the graphical representation of any object or idea can be termed as drawing. A drawing can be prepared either using a free hand, or using engineering instruments, or using a computer program. Engineering drawing. An engineering drawing is a type of technical drawing used to fully and clearly define requirements and capture all the geometric features of a product, such as dimensions, for engineering products. Applications of engineering drawing. Drawing is used in manufacturing of all automobiles. Drawing is used in constructions. Drawing plays a vital role in engineering, and it is essential to our daily life. For example, construction of rockets, missiles, ACs, etc. Initially, they should need drawing to come out as a final output. Instruments used in engineering drawing. Drawing board, drawing sheet, mini drafter, T-square, compass, divider, set squares, protractor, French curves, pencils, eraser. Let us describe each and every drawing instrument in detail. Drawing board. Drawing board is generally made of softwood, and it is in a rectangular shape. It is used to support the drawing sheet, so, the size of the board is made, according to the size of the drawing sheet. Drawing sheet. Drawing sheet is a white paper, on which an object is drawn, which is available in various sizes. To fix the drawing sheet to the board, clamps, plasters, paper holders, are used. Mini drafter. Mini drafter is an instrument used for multiple functions in drawing. It contains two arms, which are adjustable to required angle, and at the end of the lower arm, a scale set is attached. This instrument is fixed to the drawing board, at one edge, with the help of screw provided for the drafter. T-square. T-square is used to draw horizontal and vertical lines on a drawing sheet. The edge of the head is in uniform level and attached to the edge of the board. The working edge is used to draw lines anywhere on the sheet by moving the instrument top to bottom. Compass. Compass is used to draw an arc or circle with known dimensions on engineering drawing. Divider. The divider looks like a compass, but the difference is the two legs of the divider are provided with needles. This is used to divide a line or curve into equal parts. It is also used to check the measurements. Set squares. Set squares are used to draw lines with an angle between them. In most of the structures, 30, 45, 60, and 90-degree lines are most common. So, set squares make the work easier for this type of drawing. Generally, set squares are of two types. One is a 45-degree set square, and another one is a 30 to 60-degree set square. Protractor. Protractor is used to draw and measure the angles of lines in the drawing. It is in the shape of a semicircle, and the edge of the semicircle part consists of reading with 1 degree accuracy. The bottom line joins the 0 degree to the 180 degree. The center of this bottom line is marked as O or C, from which the angles are measured. French curves. French curves are made of plastic, and they have irregular shapes. Sometimes, the drawing requires irregular curves, or shapes, or arcs, which cannot be drawn using compass. In that case, French curves are suitable. Pencils. Pencil is used to draw on paper. Any type of pencil is not suitable for drawing. There are some limitations. The drawing appearance should be very neat and understandable. Every line of the drawing should indicate its importance. The following pencils are used in engineering drawings: 3H pencil, 2H pencil, H pencil, HB pencil. Eraser. Eraser is used to remove the lines, or spots, which are drawn by mistake, or with wrong measurements. Next, we will see different types of lines used in drawing to indicate different parts of an object. Continuous thick line. This line is used to display outlines and edges of the main drawing. Continuous thin line. This line is used for extensions, dimensions, projections, hatching, leader, etc. Continuous thin, free hand line. This line is used to show short break, irregular boundaries. Thin line with zigzags. This line is used to show a long break. Dash line. This line is used to show hidden edges of the main object. Chain thin line. This line is used to represent central lines for circles and arcs. Chain thin line, with thick, at the ends. This line is used to represent the location of a cutting plane. In this video, we have discussed the introduction to engineering drawing, instruments used in engineering drawing, types of lines used in engineering drawing,